Good morning, everyone. My name is Tavasi. I am from third class from Bhavya Tutorials.
States and languages.
Andhra Pradesh,
Telugu,
Arunachal Pradesh,
English,
Assam,
Assamese,
Bihar,
Hindi,
Chhattisgarh,
Chhattisgarhi,
Goa,
Konkani,
Gujarat,
Gujarati,
Haryana,
Hindi,
Himachal Pradesh,
Hindi,
Jharkhand,
Hindi,
Karnataka,
Kannada,
Kerala,
Malayalam,
Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh,
Hindi,
Maharashtra,
Marathi,
Manipur,
Manipuri,
Meghalaya,
English,
Mizoram,
Mezo,
Nagaland,
English,
Odisha,
Odia,
Punjab,
Punjabi,
Rajasthan,
Rajasthani,
Sikkim,
Sikkimis,
Tamil Nadu,
Tamil,
Tripura,
Bengali,
Telangana,
Telugu, Urdu,
Uttar Pradesh,
Hindi, Urdu,
Uttarakhand,
Hindi,
West Bengal.
Bengali. Thank you.
Very good.